Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Javier Santiago Urbano. I am an English Word level 5 student. Today I am going to talk about my new project. It's called a football tournament with time. Okay, project idea. This is project idea. My new project is a football tournament website. This website will help teams and players organize tournaments easily. On this website, people will be able to see teams and players match schedules, schedules results, and studying. It will also include important tournament information. Okay. Now I am going to explain my plans. I am going to create a modern website for football tournaments. I am going to design a simple menu and IS interface. I am also going to add a registration for teams and players. Finally, I am going to create a session for match dates and results because I study system engineering. Okay. Activities. Now I will tell about the activities I will do. First, I will plant the structure on the website. Then I will create the database for things at match. After that, I will develop the page and the tournament system. I will test the website and fix errors. Finally, I will publish the website online in the noob. Mm, in the tile, I will use a conditionals first to zero conditional. In the register, it appears on the with type. If the referee updates the score, the starting chain. Now, the first conditional, if the website works well, more people will use it. If I finish the project of time, I will share it with local teams. If user had problems, I will improve the system. Mm, Finally, I will explain why my project is important. This website will be useful because it saves time and organizes better. Uh, Also, it shows results quickly and helps teams communicate. I think this project will be very helpful for my city and for local tournaments. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye.